In this video, I'll show you how to use offers on Cash App and walk you through how to take full advantage of Cash App discount shopping so you can save money on online purchases with ease. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all the information about your Cash App card, including your balance and the available boosts, which are the discounts you can apply when shopping at participating stores or websites. Scroll through the list of available boosts until you find the one that matches the store or item you want to purchase. For example, if you're buying shoes, clothing, or accessories like Crocs, locate the boost associated with that store and tap Add to Order. Once you add the boost, it becomes active on your Cash App card and will automatically apply when you use your Cash App card to pay at checkout. This allows you to save money without needing to manually enter any codes, making the process very simple and seamless. Next, go to the online store or website where you want to make your purchase and add your items to your shopping cart. If the website offers any additional promo codes, you can copy and enter them during checkout to combine savings with your Cash App boost. This way, you can maximize your discounts and reduce the total amount you pay. When you're ready to pay, choose your Cash App card as the payment method. At this point, the discount from the boost will automatically be applied, and the reduced amount will be deducted directly from your Cash App balance. After completing the transaction, you can check your transaction history in the Cash App to confirm the purchase and see exactly how much you saved.